To display more information about your local weather condition on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra home screen, you have to add the Weather Insight widget to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area, and then tap widget at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen to find weather, or you can quickly find the widget by typing its name in the search bar. Tap weather. Next, tap and hold the Weather Insight widget and then drag it to the desired area on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. As you can see, now the Weather Insight widget has been added to your home screen. If needed, you can tap the widget to easily get more information about your local weather condition. As the example, you can see when severe thunderstorm, snow, rain, and other events are on the forecast. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.